you go.
Alright, my name is Brian.
Nice to meet you.
On my YouTube channel.
My name's Billy.
Billy, nice to meet you. Okay, so what category first?
What are your cars?
Cars? Okay. And it could be a group effort, alright? If you name all of the cars in this box, all I need is the TV show, movie, or car name. You get a prize.
So every single one?
Yep.
So
If you miss out on one, you lose.
we got the Scooby-Doo van.
Good.
I know that car, but I forget the name of it.
Uh-oh.
I know it's a Bel Air, though.
Nope.
No?
Not a Bel Air.
That ain't the one from Christie, is it?
From what is it?
Christie?
Chris, that's close enough. Christine.
Christine, yes.
Yeah.
That one.
Okay, so you got that one and that one.
Ghostbusters.
Good.
Down in the corner.
Alright.
I believe that's A-Team.
Good.
Dukes of Hazzard.
Good.
Hutch and Starsky.
Starsky and Hutch.
Yeah, yeah.
Good enough. So you need these and that, and you got it.
Okay, okay.
Yo, Billy, you have to lock in. I did not know these.
Herbie.
Yep.
Green Lantern.
Nope.
No. I took it as like it was like a hover
That's like
car.
a-
That's why it said that.
A hover car is kind of right. In the movie, it does do that at the end, only at the end.
Don't tell me this. That's not Back to the Future.
Yes, it is.
Is it? Okay.
So now I need this, this, and this, and you got it.
Well, that's Smoking the Bandit.
Good. So this, and this. Come on, they're easy.
Doomsday.
Nope. Look at the front. You see something there in the front that might indicate it. That red.
Knight Rider.
You got it.
Yes.
Those are the only two left.
Batman on top.
Yep. That one stumps everybody. It's because it's the first movie they made with this type
Bumblebee.
of... You got it. You won the prize. All right.
You could take it.
Your prize is anything in this box.
Caden, you walk in now on another one, bro. I'll help you out if you need. But
You can
walk
have
in.
3D printed rings, or crock pins, or 3D printed things like Cubert and anything like that. Stickers are in here, like 3D printed stuff.
Screw will go with Croc Charm.
Croc Charm, which one do you want? I'll have to take it out for you.
Oh, okay.
This one?
Yeah.
Alright.
Sweet. Billy just locked in.
Yeah, you did.
That's why I said
There's your
cars,
prize.
bro. Like,
All right.
I know cars.
What's next?
Alright. So we are
What is it, video games?
Yeah.
Video games is the easiest one.
Video games it's probably old ones. I have bad memory.
Yep, it is. Name all these video games.
Mario, Sonic, Pac-Man,
Jesus.
Pong,
What? Oh, Kong? About...
like King Kong,
No?
Donkey Kong.
Got it.
I do not know these two.
Uh-oh.
There
You,
was an S. There was
yeah, you're right.
Guy.
Skylanders? Super Smash Bros.
No, the diner. Well, that one. This little guy. I'm not sure what game he's from, but I know he is in the movie Wreck-It Ralph. This is not the
Yep,
game.
using Wreck-It Ralph and Pixels.
Yeah, he was in
But yeah, you have to give the name of the game. So you're missing these two.
Yeah, we're stumped on those two, Caden.
I'm gonna be honest.
You give up?
Give it a shot.
I have no idea. Honestly.
Really?
I forget the name. It was an S for that dinosaur. I forget what the
You're right.
Yeah.
Since you're that, it's not a dinosaur. Here's a clue. It's a dragon.
Yeah.
So it's what the dragon.
Gyro.
You're very close. I'm so close that I'll give it to you. It's Spyro.
Oh, yes.
But this guy, if you can find this guy on my car as a sticker, because all these are on my car already, it has the name of it. You can cheat. And if you find this guy on my car, you'll get a prize.
Find the sticker on the car. I'm not gonna follow you around the same side.
You said it.
You want the
One more time?
Hubert.
Hubert?
Hubert.
Hubert.
Alright,
Never heard of
what do you want? 3D printed ring or
I want a Croc thing.
you want a croc? Alright.
Even though I don't have Crocs. Let me get a. I want the
Chick-fil-A. All right.
Mom,
Yeah.
it was a pleasure, man.
There's your
Thank you for
prize.
letting us play.
When our buddies get here, we'll bring them by so they could have a shot at it. With
Don't tell them. Don't tell them the answers.
I
Don't-
tell
oh,
the answer.
definitely not the answers, but we'll tell them about this.
Yeah, we'll tell them to come check it out.
Not
try
it was
to
a
win
pleasure.
something.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
You enjoy.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, you made it to level 2?
Yeah, I just died.
Oh.
Go down.
All right. Well, how about
You try it.
how about a trivia question for free prizes? Are you in?
Heard of questions.
They're not bad, Dad. Just do it.
Alright, it's a trivia question.
Am I allowed to put you on my YouTube channel as well?
We're on it. Send it.
If you say no, it's all right.
It's for fun. Do it. It's YouTube.
What's the trivia question first?
Movies, video games, or cars?
Who's the pick? I aced the car one. That's all I gotta say. Yeah. I think you would too. But I don't know. We'll see. We'll see where your mind's feeling. Don't show them the cars or not.
Yep. Oh, I don't.
It'll start. Yeah.
Totally up to you.
Alright.
On the channel too, or no channel and just the thing? It's up to you.
No, Mark was there.
You want to be on the channel too, or just the game? Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter. All right. So, if you name all the cars, I need to know the names of the cars, or the TV show, or the movie, and you get your prize. What do we got?
All the cars. Alright, you got Scooby-Doo.
Good.
You got Herbie.
Good.
You've got 18.
Good.
Dukes of Hazzard.
Good.
Ghostbusters.
Good.
Let me think of the other ones.
It could be a group effort. You can help too. You can't.
Yeah, we can't. We know. We already know.
Huh? I got Herbie the Love Bug.
We got another victim for him.
So we got this,
You gotta
and these,
try this
and that one.
first.
Yeah, I got that
Bro,
one.
I'm parked right there. I'm parked
That one kind of looks like Batman, but I'm not.
It is.
Okay.
Good.
I'm right over there.
Back to the Future.
Yep. You're doing all right. Almost.
So that one, Knight Rider.
Yep.
Okay.
So I think you're missing these two and that one, right? I'm thinking that one, and I don't think you got that one.
Wait, they say
So you're almost there.
So the cars and they're on. Oh, okay. Now I know who that one is. That one is Smokey the Bandit.
Good. You can also name the car. All I need is the make or model or both. You have your choice.
Trying to think. These aren't for movies or TV shows.
Yep.
I got the wire.
Doesn't have that one.
I'll back you. We'll even help you. Go grab it.
Uh-oh.
Perfect. I have 3 more. That one, that one, and that one.
Well,
You're still struggling over here, Dad.
I'm on
3 left.
This one and that one. I have 3 left.
Wait, which one?
This one, and that one.
Ooh, those ones got me too. Well, not the one. The one.
what do you got?
Which one?
I am stumped on those
No, he
3.
has a white
Uh-oh.
one.
Right there.
Just say the word if you give up, and I can tell you.
It has like a pearl white to it. At night it looks like a little shade of blue or purple.
So we'll get it in here just fine.
Yeah.
I'll close the door so you don't have to.
Yeah, it'll be alright.
Now these are older TV shows, right?
Clearly, this is a TV show, and these are movies.
That's what me and my buddy, someone we're like holy imports. All these nothing but imports.
No. Good try though. I had other people say that. Yeah.
I'm having fun. not like you having a...
It's a cop show. That's the last clue I can give.
Cop show.
And the weather's supposed to
Not
be better
chips,
for this
is it?
one than
Nope.
the one
I
that it was
think
at
it's
yesterday.
chips.
Chips was all motorcycles.
Yeah.
The weather, it started raining around 1, 2 o'clock. Yeah.
That's a cop show, not a movie.
Who wants to join us?
Live PD.
You give in?
Yeah, I give in. What are they?
Starsky and
I
Hutch.
knew I was smelling bacon from somewhere.
Okay.
Christine,
Here he comes.
the car that kills people.
Oh,
Oh,
that's
that is nice.
okay.
Bumblebee,
That's nice.
Transformers. And the
I got
very
it.
first one before it became the Camaro that it is
Okay.
today.
Bumblebee.
Yeah.
You've seen the car.
We'll get it.
It's Stephen King's movie. You've seen it.
All right, thanks for playing.
I did get the last 3.
No, you want to know if they are? I'll tell you now.
I just did.
You're good.
I'll turn that.
It's up to you. If not, then that's
Can
okay.
I decide after? Because if I get all the trivia wrong, that's going to be embarrassing.
Well, I can delete the footage.
Yeah,
As
yeah.
long as I get your approval now, you're being recorded through my spyglasses right now. Movies, video games, or cars? Which one you want?
I don't know. You're probably good at video.
Yeah, let's try video games.
Video games is the easiest one. If you name all of the video games in this box, you get a prize.
Alright, let's see. Spyro.
Yep.
Hubert.
Yep.
Donkey Kong.
Yep.
Mario.
Yep.
Pac-Man and Sonic.
That
Super
was
easy. All right,
I didn't do anything, so that was easy for you.
your prize is anything
I honestly only knew 3 of them.
I thought you were gonna give me the whole Pac-Man.
anything in this box. You get 3D printed rings, croc pins. There's 3D printed statues or lizards and anything in this box.
Nice.
Stickers,
Take a croc charm, Flo.
croc charm. All right. Now, which croc charm do you want? She's picking. I guess you get. I guess
Yeah,
she
we
gets
gotta
it.
go. We gotta go pineapple.
Yeah.
All right.
Don't wear crocs too much.
All right. We're being recorded. I'm Brian.
Rob.
Hello.
Jolena.
Hello. And which category do you want?
Cars.
Cars. Okay. If you name all the cars in this box, you get a free prize that I know you will love personally. I neither know the car name, the movie, or TV show.
Chevy Bel Air. The Ghostbusters.
Nope.
With that one.
That's not a Bel Air.
Alright, I know that's a Ghostbusters.
Good.
Looks like a Camaro Z28.
Good.
The A-Team van.
Good.
The Dodge Charger, but it's also off that show.
The car's name is fine. You got it.
Alright.
That's Dukes of Hazzard.
Yeah. Kit also is Trans Am.
Yep.
DeLorean.
Yep.
Beetle.
Yep.
The Scooby-Doo
Good.
Mystery Machine.
Good. So now you need this, and that.
That's also a Trans Am. Or a Firebird Trans Am.
Yep.
This.
Kind of a shoddy version, but it is old. This is from one of their first ones. The first movies.
Looks like a Batmobile.
You got it.
Alright. Starsky and Hutch.
Very good. So all that's left is.
So I got the Camaro.
Oh yeah. Okay. So that one and.
This one.
What about you? Name that one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll give you a clue. It's a movie, not a TV show.
Is this the movie with the haunted car that's been going around like killing people?
Yes, it is. What's the name of it?
I want to say it starts with a C.
You're right. It does. You are so close.
Either Carolyn, Caitlin, something with it's a female name with a C.
You're close enough. I'll give it to you because you can got them all, and you know. Do you know what kind it is?
I know it's a Chevy.
No.
No, Thunderbird.
No.
No. Okay, what is it?
Plymouth.
Ah, okay.
Christine.
Ah!
Very good. All right. Here's the prize I know you're gonna love because I see you wearing Crocs. croc pins. You get 3D printed rings or croc pins or stickers. You made it. And you have crocs too.
I do.
So that means that you get to do another trivia if you want a croc pin also. You can do the same one. Oh, I have to get this out. It's stuck. Come on. This one's a little stuck for some reason. I'll get it for you. You want to do another trivia? So all you have left is either movies or what was it? Movies or video games.
You're gonna be answering them.
Yeah, you can. Anybody can answer it.
Do
Movie. All right. For some reason this is stuck, but we'll get it for you. Is there another one that's like that?
You got the actual back.
Maybe if I get that one out, the other one will come out. Holy crap. There we go. Okay, so that one came out, so then that one must... That one's easier. Here, let me give you that pack now. Alright, so which one?
Movies.
Movies? I'll tell you what, movies is the hardest one.
Okay.
Alright, is that okay? Alright.
You can do video games.
Movies or video games?
Video games.
And name all the video games in here.
Donkey Kong.
Good.
Mario.
Yep.
Pac-Man.
Yep.
Sonic.
Yep.
Spyro.
Yep.
And
There's only one clue available. Tell me when you need it.
I'm gonna need the clue.
The clue? It's kind of a cheating way. All these games are on my car in a sticker of some sort. If you find the sticker, it will tell you the name of the character. You got it! Cheater! Alright. So, which one do you want?
I love you.
Alright. And there you go.
Kindly.
Alright.
Thank you.
Thank you. There's my YouTube channel if you're interested. You can take a credit card or you can scan that. These are eyeglasses. Right there's the camera. My name is Brian.
Ken.
Ken, trivia question. You get your category of movies, video games, or cars.
Let's go with movies.
Movies. That's the hardest one. Okay?
Alright.
Alright, very good. If you guess all of the movies, you get a free prize. Alright? I need to know, these are all puppet movies. I need to know what movie each one of those are from. There's 7 of them in this.
Okay. You got Star Trek.
Star.
Wars, yeah.
All
Star
right.
Wars. Saw.
Uh-huh.
Can't really tell what that one is.
Look at the nose. That usually gives it away if you've seen the movie.
I'm thinking Lord of the Rings.
No.
No.
It's in that genre type of thing. And I'll give you a clue. It has 3 words in the name, and it starts with the.
No.
We can come back to that.
Yeah. Well, you got E.T.
Yep.
Looks like you got Chucky there in the middle.
Yep.
What was the name of this movie?
Or
Was this
the
Garbage
character.
Pail Kids?
No.
Or Garbage
No.
Patch Kids?
No.
That's another one. I remember this movie when I was a kid. And this one,
And then you got that one on the top. That one is on my car. On the other side. Might be a better picture of it. Right there.
what was that? That had that. Oh, that one kid in it that passed away. What was his name? Oh man, I can't think of the name of that movie.
Oh no!
Yeah, I'm stuck on that one, and that one.
You want to know the answers or you give up?
Yeah, I give up.
Little Shop of Horrors. That's Seymour. Feed me.
Okay.
The Dark Crystal.
I see. I never seen that movie.
Never Ending Story.
I was gonna say something like that because I just seen like what's that actor's name? He was a younger kid. He died.
Treyu is just the one that I know from the movie. I'm not of his real name.
Yeah, see, that just showed up in like Facebook, like, you know, it's been 40 years of this movie or whatever, and I was like,
You want to try another one to redeem yourself?
Yeah, sure, we'll do video games this time. We
Video
get
games.
the video games correct.
All right. Well, then, how about naming all the characters?
Oh, that's Bumble.
On this. Oh, okay.
Sonic,
Good.
Mario,
Good.
Donkey Kong.
Good.
Can't remember his name.
And he was the one, he was in, what was that movie with Adam Sandler? With the blocks? Pixels.
Yep. He was.
That was the character that they had. What was his name? Do you remember?
I'll give you a clue for that after. If you can name this one, I'll give you a clue for that one.
Do you know what that is?
I never watched.
I believe it comes from Dragon Ball Z.
Nope.
No?
It is a dragon.
I'm stumped again.
Oh, Spyro.
Okay, game I
Spyro
never
the Dragon.
played.
And that is Cubert. Nice try. You might as well do the last one.
Cars, okay.
Cars. I either need to know the car name, movie, or TV show.
All right. Well, you got the
Batman?
Mystery Machine.
Yep, you're good. All right.
Ghostbusters.
Good,
The A-Team.
good,
That's the General Lee.
good.
Come back to that one. What's the name of that movie?
Or the car name.
Oh, well, it's just a Volkswagen Bug.
Good. That's all I need. It's a Herb. That's Herbie.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to think of what the name of that movie was. Back to the Future.
Good.
That is the Bandit.
You said it. The Bandit is close enough. You named it. Smokey and the Bandit.
Smokey and the Bandit.
So then we have that left. This, and this.
Well, that's Kit.
Good.
Batman.
Batman. Yep. These two
And
and that one. Yep.
Would that be from Carrie?
No, it's not. But it starts with a C.
What one?
Oh, that's the Christine card.
You got it.
That one. What's that?
It's a group effort, so they're winning a prize right now. We need that one.
A movie, TV show that the car was
Oh,
in.
it's a yellow fastback. I know that. I don't remember the name of the
What's
car.
that?
Or all you had to do was.
Or the movie.
I don't remember what movie it was
Wow,
either.
really?
I know what car it is because I've seen the videos on Facebook about it. I just can't remember what it's called. It's not a hooligan.
You said it.
Bumblebee.
It's a Transformers. It's
Oh,
a
okay. I thought
classic
it was
from the
the
first.
other one, the
Yeah,
Australian
That
movie.
one.
That's
that's the last one, and then they won
Oh,
a prize.
that's the Gran Torino from Starsky and Hutch.
I was just about to say that.
A group effort, get one prize, all right, for you guys. The prizes are:
So you pick it out.
you can have either a 3D printed ring, or you interested in trivia questions while we wait?
I'll give trivia a try.
Do you mind if I put you on my YouTube channel? You're on my YouTube channel right now, right through my spy glasses. I'm Brian.
Brian?
Yeah.
Brian.
Brian. Hello. Trivia categories. You get movies or cars or video games.
Let's go with movies.
Movies. If you name all of the movies in here, it could be a group effort, you get a prize. These are all puppet movies, including the one on the top.
Well, that's Falcor from The Neverending Story.
Yep.
That's Baby Yoda.
Grogu from The Mandalorian.
Yeah.
His nose gives it away. Well, to people who've seen the movie.
The kangaroo one?
Oh, you know E.T.?
Yeah, there's E.T., Chucky, Little House, Little Shop of Horrors,
Good.
Saw.
Good. So you're missing one.
That one, I'm pretty sure. I want to say it's the kangaroo movie. I can't remember.
I'll give you one clue. That's all I can give you. Okay. Has 3 words in the name. The what?
I don't know. I know I've seen the movie and I can't remember.
You can pass it up on one? Anyone? That one in the middle? The Dark Crystal. All right, I'll get this. Hang on a second.